Now let's have a look at this particular question now. In question 29, we are given that sine 5x minus 28 degree equals to cos 3x minus 50 degree, and then we are also given a 0 degrees less than equals to x less than equals to 90 degree. Find the value of x. Now this kind of question we are given is the question of complementary angles. That is, we are going to use the concept of complementary angles to solve this problem. How do we know we are using the complementary angle? Because if you take a look at this range of values given to us, 0 degrees less than equals to x less than equals to 90, that's how we get to know that we are going to be using your complementary angle. So to solve this problem, the first thing we do is to write this question out again. So we say sine open bracket 5x minus 28 degree equals to cos what? Cos 3x minus 50 degree. So to solve this problem, we have to write out the relationship between the sine and cosine in the complementary angle, which is sine x equals to cos open bracket 90 minus x. So this is the formula we're going to be using to solve this problem. Now the idea is to turn this original equation, that is this one, the complementary angle is here for sine, into this particular one that is we are to look solving now. So what do we do to make this second equation to be exactly like the first? We are going to write it as sine, then we open the bracket. We are going to multiply 5 by x here, 5x, then subtract 28 from it. Now you can see that what I did there is to multiply 5 with this x and then subtract the minus 28 from the result. Then in the second side, which is the right hand side, I'm going to write 90 minus, then I'll take my big square here. Okay, now instead of writing this x, I'm going to introduce what I did here over here. So here I'm going to write my what? My 5x, then minus 28, because this is an equation. So whatever I do to this left side, I must also do it to the right side. So now we can see that our sine 5x minus 28 is going to be equals to what? Cos 3x minus what? 50. So I'm going to substitute that here by writing cos into 3x minus 50, then equals to cos, or we'll take the bracket here, 90. Now use the negative sign to open the bracket. We have minus 5x, then minus times plus, minus times minus to give us plus what? Plus 28. And then we finally simplify this to give us cos 3x minus 50 equals to cos into, then 90 plus 28 will give us 118, then minus what? 5 minus 5x. So you can see here that the cosine on the left will cancel the cosine on the right. So here we shall have 3x minus 50 equals to what? 118 minus what? 5x. So collecting like terms, I'm going to move this my minus 5x to this side. So on the left it becomes 3x plus 5x equals 118. Then my minus 50 to this side become plus 50. Now if you add this up, it gives us 8x equals to, then if you add this up, you are going to have 168. Of course, you know what to do at this point. We simply divide both sides by 8 in order for us to get the value for x. So which means x therefore will give us 8 into 16 is 2, 8 into 8 is 1. So there you have it. The value for x is what? 21 degree.